Hi and welcome. My name's Tulin and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. I'd like to welcome you to Excel Beginner and Intermediate Training, in which you'll learn to master the 10 critical parts of Microsoft Excel and then use Excel to solve real-world problems. Microsoft Excel is an amazing application. Over the last 30 years, it has become the industry standard for manipulating, organizing, storing, and analyzing data in tabular form. Whether you work in a nonprofit, a startup, a Fortune 500 firm, or government, you're bound to come across Microsoft Excel at some point in your career. Now, learning and mastering Microsoft Excel can be frustrating, intimidating, or just a plain bother. My own journey has lasted more than 10 years, and in the process, I found that it can be helpful to have a clear roadmap. Thus, in lesson 2 of this course, we've provided a course PDF, i.e. a roadmap, which outlines each section of the course and that section's corresponding lessons. Go ahead and download the course PDF in our next lecture. At the end of each of our 10 sections in this course, we'll do a little project. In each project, we'll walk through a few of the key skills that we've developed in that section and then apply them to solving a real-world problem. For example, in project 3 of the course, we'll have 2 separate parts. First, we'll create a simple income statement by using Facebook Inc.'s actual financial data from their annual report. Then we'll look at how to use the fill handle and other tools in Microsoft Excel to create a gradebook for a local college professor. By the end of this course, you'll be able to do things like create, save, and open worksheets, enter, edit, and format data, apply formulas and functions, things like averages, highs, lows, and sum of any sets of values. You'll be able to create charts, tables, and graphs, as well as sort and filter data, and utilize useful tools in Microsoft Excel, tools like sparklines and flash fill. You'll be able to navigate workbooks, rename worksheets, and color whatever data and labels you so desire. Of course, there's going to be a lot more to this class than just that, but those are some of the basics. All right, so with no more dilly-dallying, let's get started. Go ahead and move on to the next lecture now.